So, sa
Di din nimo gi-connect imong mic? Di gyud nimo katong mic? Di nimo gina-connect?
dili ka
Maingani.
lisod kayo, lisod kay nga Apple do.
Lagi lisod siya i-kuan, ipa-detect.
Check, check, check. Unsa man kani ani ba pwede ni siya kanang like natay i-attach nga let's say uy
Gusto lagi
tanawa gali
nako.
ni nga video
Oh,
sa YouTube.
gusto ako pa nang gakuanon, akong gusto nako na oh, kuan puwede ra katong kuan, dinhi ta sa atong kuan mag-screen sharing ta diri sa atong kuan, diri sa ato ang walaon lang natong mic.
Lloyd,
Oh,
daghang kay tagkuan like akong na-come up nga idea like para makuha na 'tong broad atong topic ma we can cover a lot of things, to talk about, right? So I come up with the idea of like certain topics which is just easy to, you know, just
daghang kay kong
easy
topics.
to I guess ano di makaga di ako like for example, like um kuwanta mag-review ta og kanang clips about movie like kanang or mag-watch kag movie nata i-watch nga movie then the next day i-review nato or not necessarily nga bahala ka basta kay bals mo niatong kuan kani nga movie i-review nato ni
Kani for example,
if ever they would decide to see a movie, before doing it, if they can just check it out, what's our opinion on it, our review on it, then probably because I think I probably would say I'm a decent movie critique. You know what I'm talking about?
saan sa man imo na perspective imo sa cinematography, sa
Wala
story?
lang, like, no,
Ah,
chika lang.
so you know,
I-topic lang mo na.
you think
Like,
you
not
know what
necessarily the,
uh, I, you think you know what movies are shitty and what movies are good.
yeah, that's what I'm
Am I
saying.
right?
That's exactly
Yeah,
what I'm
okay,
saying.
okay.
I'm a pretty good when it comes to like setting the barometer on if you want to ask if the movie is good or not, just
Okay.
no flex. Huh? So,
Okay.
kuan lang, chika
Sa
lang,
ako ang ako mga ready
uh,
diri na mga list.
or
You wanna know?
even no, not necessarily the now showing movies.
No, not
I'm talking
movies, the
about
topics. Topics. I'm talking about topics.
uh, topics.
Ah, I
Ana
have
siya.
lists. I always have lists for topics and then balo
Sige,
na ka.
ikaw na lang una. Ikaw na lang una. I
Ako'y
don't I
pangingon sa imo ha. Ako'y pangingon sa imo ha. Kung
oh,
asa mong mga ganahan ani. Ganahan ba kag mga mind bending, curiosity topics?
oh.
Ganahan ba kag human psychology pero it's deep?
Yes. Yes, of course. Yes, for that.
Spirituality,
Sure.
consciousness, inner world, mga ingana. Napoy relationships and social dynamics, no? Society, modern life. Is social media really making
Ah,
us fake? Mga ingana.
ah,
Ba? Why does everyone wants to be known? Mga ingana ba? But it feels
hmm,
alone. Aha, aha. Napod
'di
tay
ba?
mga mystery na mga personal story driven, napod tay episodes that spark debate, no? Daghan
Oh,
kung unsay mong gusto naa na. Pero tsada mo movie, oh. Unsa na day nga genre nga movie mong mga ganahan karon day?
dili na kay ko gakuan bay. Dili na kay ko honestly, no, but I just watched the one with Leonardo DiCaprio. Kuan
Si
ba?
Leo og si
Uh, just the recent one,
kinsa gani ang kauban
the
nato?
latest.
Leo og
Si
si
Kuan Good.
pa.
I'm
Anyway,
blanking on it
ang
now.
tsada pod katupong si Matt Damon ug si Ben Affleck katong
Ay, katong
katong
The Rip. Oh, so like for
mga
example,
ingana.
okay. Nakita nimo? Ha? Nakita nimo wala? Then there's nothing to talk about, dude. You have to watch a movie, like so I can, it's easier to. I cannot just tell you the whole premise of the movie. That's fucking long. And I mean, I'm not even gonna reveal what's my review, but it could, it could be better if you watch it also. Then we can share our view.
Topics like unsa ba mga music.
For example, it's NBA first pick, second pick, third pick, fourth pick, fifth pick. Like LeBron James is the first pick. So what I'm trying to say is, or what we're going to do is, we need probably another person, so it could be more fun. So
Gani
that's,
nga
how
relate
do we
pod siya ana,
decide?
no?
How do we decide if, who's gonna, like, it could be, I'm thinking about my sister, obviously, because she's funny, also she get the humor, I mean. Um, ingana ba, like example, silang Uching, mga ingana, like example, atong draft is atay fifth pick all the way to first pick, di
Sa
ba?
best
So each
movies,
of us,
best movies.
it could be like for example, naalala ko yung example,
Ayaw lang mi
i-draft
kuha nag
nato
sports ha,
ang
ayaw mi kuha nag sports kay
no, 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 no,
lagi
nothing
ha,
about it. This is fun. This is like
gani,
silly.
gani.
Um, dude. Um, so natay lima ka picks each of us. Then mag-draw ta kinsay mo una og pick. Like kung ikaw mo una og pick,
For example,
so
unsa siya?
magsugod ta mag-start ta sa imo. Mag-start ta kang
For example,
start
unsa
ta kang
na siya nga
bimbals.
butang? Unsa man na siya? What
Like
about
mag-start
it?
lagi ta sa imo pag bimbals. Ang topic is kung i-draft nato ang pinaka the best bands of all time
Na unsa
according
pod
to
rock?
your personal,
Rock?
it
Wala,
could be anything, bro.
all
It
genres.
could be anything. The best band or artist. It could be just a singular, a solo artist, or a group, band, like a group, or multiple,
Mga Backstreet,
multiple
pwede.
artists. That's it. So yeah,
Yeah.
though you have
Boy
5
bands.
picks. So you have to decide on whether who's your top 5, like number 5, number 4, all the way to the GOAT, like all the way to the best ever,
Lima-lima ta
based on
tanan.
your personal
Lima-lima ta.
choice, like personal your personal opinion. So you have to just like answer it, and you have to like say something to back it up, like how is
Lima-lima.
that, what's the reason for you choosing that, the thing that you're choosing. So for example, best band, like number 5 sa kuha. Okay, I'm gonna go first. So my number 5 would be Incubus, all time, that's my number 5. Yeah, then yeah, we probably have the same bands. Then you say, oh shit, then you would say, you're and then you would say, "Oh shit, you have to come up with another band because
Gani.
you already." But you can also say it as a conversation, like, "Yo, bro, you, I have the same pick as you, as mine, as me." So, ingana lang, so fun siya. Like, unsay
Best podcast.
pinaka number 5, fifth, 5 things nga pinaka annoying sa imuha. Number 5, kanang maanoy, like makaanoy ka personally. Imo lang opinion, imong personal experience kanang
Ikaw, karon
maanoy.
di, ikaw
You
daw
have to
karon unsa
mag-come
man
up
nimo?
ka.
Ikaw di sa karon lang kana walaon na to, out of
Number
topic na
5
ta.
sa kuha, number
Oh.
5 sa kuha, I don't care kanang magtunol sa pliti ba, padulong sa driver.
Pareha gyud mo ni
Like
upaw ba?
annoying kayo ba?
Pareha gyud
Annoying
mo ni
kay ba
upaw.
number 5 na sa mo, like iyana ba nga sumuka mo kay ani nga. Iyana bitaw. It's a silly games, but at the same time, it's like
Unsa man
it's
number 4
real.
nimo?
It's happening
Sige
all
daw.
the time.
Sige daw.
Huh?
Number 4.
Ang
Unsa number 4 nimo?
si kanang
Annoying.
shit, annoying kanang mag-order nga magpataas og kamot. Kay gatrabaho ba ako sa waiter, ba for a long time ingana akong trabaho, like annoying talaga siya. No, like it's not.
Maadto siya
We
dito?
don't do that here.
Maadto siya
No,
dito
the
sa imo?
thing is, you, what?
Maadto siya sa imuha? Kaya mag-order siya?
No,
Unsa man?
that's the thing, because you guys, it's like it's mind-boggling. We Filipinos back home, we don't have that culture. Like the people here,
Mag-unsa lagi?
they just look you in the eye. It's like you can just
Ah,
go to the table and ask them if they need some. It's like a conversation. That's why I was
okay.
able to pretty much speak the language a bit, easier, just the fact that that's pretty much what I've been doing on a daily basis, like
Gani.
talking to the people here. So it's
Pero
like,
mo man na
bro,
when
it's
in Rome
really
man ta.
crazy.
Sabi when in Rome man ta.
What?
When in Rome, do you know the the saying when in Rome, do what the Romans do.
Uh,
So naa man ka
yeah, I
diha,
heard
mo
about
na
it, but
imong
what's that to
opinion.
do with oh, yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like,
Oo.
it's just annoying because
Okay.
Western culture don't do that,
Gani,
man.
gani, gani.
It's just like again, it's like just weird, like for them to not do, they don't do that kind of practice in hospitality, like
Kinsa na gyud
just
nagunahunaan ng mga tibol etiquette. Kay para sila ang nag-set sa standards anang bawal na. Unya kinsa pa'y nagunahuna nga
good.
annoying na.
I mean, again, it's just like that's the
Sa imo
annoying
to.
part.
Pero ikaw mo man tay maingon na
No,
ang
that's the
culture diha
annoying part.
dili maging ana.
No, that's the annoying part because like in the whole restaurant, there could be pretty much all different races. While I was serving them, I mean that's based on my personal experience. Like it always happened that Asian people tends tend to do that, like raising their hands. It's just rude, bro. The fact that it's
Hmm.
rude and it's
Asa
not
lagi
even like
diha na siya na-imbento ang rude na
in Western
diha.
culture.
Gani.
In Western culture. So, but then again, if you really think about it, it's like you just have to wait for your turn, I guess, because not all servers covers the whole, people,
Gani.
in
So, I'm
in your
thinking
area or
kanang
like
dito
your
na siya nagsugod
section.
sa katong mga kuan, tong mga gentleman sa UK, sa British Kingdom sa una, mga French
I
kasi
think it's
sila may
just
na yung mga
more.
hari-hari. Sila man gyud sa
It's
ila
more.
man na nagsugod ng unahon ni nga kutsara, tibol etiquette lagi.
Well, like,
Sa ila na
it's just
gikan.
more
Oh,
graceful, I guess. It's more,
gani.
the etiquette, like, on how you act in certain places.
Tsada pud na imong kuan. Tsada nga makabalo mi nga mga taga
No,
diri
but it's
nga
not even
mga
that.
mga rock
It's
and
just
roll mi,
funny. Like
gani. Di
it's
tsada gani
funny.
no?
It's just
It's funny nga nakabalo pod mi nga naa day mga Pinoy pod na ingana ilang una-una.
come on, man. Like you buttering me up.
I've been a waiter here for dugay pod. So ganahan mi
Oh,
atong tawgon mi kay mag-tip man to siya, isulod niya sa tissue.
yeah, but but how is it like? That's the practice, and that's okay.
Gani. When
But
in Rome
over
gani.
here,
Gani.
over here, it's like they don't do that.
Gani.
So I
Mo
just
na ko
learned
ingon when
that.
in Rome, ikaw mo na gyud na
It was
imong
really
kuan.
funny
Best thing nga mo
today.
pod na imuhang i-apply kay diha naman ka.
Yeah, I don't even like
Yeah,
really raise
na
my hand like if I go to a restaurant back
gani.
home. I mean, bahala nag-ignore ko nga arte or but it's just how it is, bro.
Muna na akong
Like
ingon sa inyo ha guys nga kani nga tao
not just a
dugay na kayo
video.
ni way uli-uli diri. Makauli ni kadyot ra kayo. Then wa na ni kabalo nga unsay mga
I'm
style
just
gid
like
sa mga
keeping
ano.
it keeping it
Gani.
real, bro.
Oh, mo
A hundo,
kita kami
a
makatuon lagi
hundred
mi sa
percent.
imuha kung unsa diha makatuon mi.
Okay naman, good.
Tsada.
And that's okay, man.
Gani.
Like,
Tsada siya.
why don't you look it up? Why
Ha?
don't we look
So,
it up right
pero
now?
ako, I
You
almost
can you can just type
ano,
it out. Is it rude? You
dili
can
dili
just
ko
ask
matuo
it.
kang Google, dili ko matuo. Ako, sa ako ang point of view, di na nagsugod. So, dito gid na sa French ug sa mga kay namay hari, sila may naingon na rude na ayo pag-ingana ha. Kay di ko ganahan ana. So,
Oh,
diha ingana na siya kay mga
yeah.
kuan man na first world countries ba.
See,
Unsa pa imong
anyway.
third
Oh, fuck.
tier?
Man.
Naguna-una naguguro ka
You
ganda.
put me on the spot because I was just trying to give you the
Sige lang,
idea.
naman tay time.
So what we're doing is we come up with the idea on that day, on that moment. After that, we are going
Gani.
to play play the game, you know, through that idea. Annoying? Shit. Easy. 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 It happened just uh 30
A
minutes
while ago.
ago
Sige.
with pets. Just doing like shopping, man. It's just like just following her around, you know, choosing, and you know
Shopping?
it's just gonna take forever. It could be
Ah,
just buying groceries.
no.
It's like we're just going there for toilet paper, but we end up have to do like a bunch of like we're using already the cart. So that's what I hate the most. Just like go like following around. You know, it's gonna take her forever to choose whatever she wanna buy. Is the That's the most, yeah, and that's funny, right? She knows that. She knows that because once she hit the store, and then I would, you know, my mood will be like, I would be just like showing off my frustration.
Ingana ka nga tao ba.
Yes!
So, napat ko yung mga kuan. Sada to imong mga kuan, no?
Nakayes ko kay Kuan.
Sada to.
Nakayes ko kay wala man day ko'y trabaho ugma. Yes! Magtanaw kog Super Bowl.
Bad
Let's
Bunny.
effing go.
Nakoy kuan sa imo ha. Unsa may nakay mga belief dili na nimo gatuohan karon. Murag dayaw believe kay ko
Dili ba ma-pick up ang Kuan, ang saba sa wait lang Loy. Ang
ah,
saba sa
ako
kanang
ra nang
mga
makuha
sakyanan sa
pag-edit.
gawas?
Pag-edit.
Sige, sige, sige.
Ah,
Kay gusto mo gud ako na ihangin gamay kay
ah,
init.
gani. Makuha ra na noise cancelling
Unsa
sa
galit no?
sa pag-edit.
What was that
Unsa
again? I'm
may
sorry.
what belief nga kuan you had before that you no longer believe now?
Shit, man. That's a very deep question. Murag kuan gyud siya bay.
Sige.
Very interesting.
No.
I guess no, I can't really say it.
I can't really see it. So naunsa naman kadina ka gatuo Ginoo day?
Dili oy, no. I
Ah,
believe in God. Like,
binako kanya ako
yeah.
I can't really say it.
Oh, dili
Ha?
gapuan ko
Oh,
kanang
you still believe in a supreme being?
si Ecleo. Si Ruben Ecleo. 'Di ba Ecleo ba? Supreme being na ito. Oh,
Yeah.
Ecleo?
Oh, grabe kay
Oh,
naka-widespread loy.
my
Daghan na diri
bad.
makita ka ilang mga kalendar ingato. Oh.
Sayang.
And
Grabe
diri gyud
lagi.
sa Bukidnon loy, most of the people mas gamay ang kuan, puslan na naman nagstorya kay ngana. Mas gamay ang Katoliko diri
Hmm,
sa Bukidnon. Yes, that's why dili kay gapista ang mga
araw.
night term ana. So walay pista, gamay ra. Panikatawa na pud siya. Basta mga lalom na kay nga mga kuan makatawa na siya. Gani, gani, gani. Basta dili na lagi siya makasubay guys. Makatawa na siya. Mao na iya. Basta too much na sa iya. Gani. Gani. I know. Ako kasabot ko. Lay, kasabot ko. Kasabot ko. Pag anything gani nga murag kuan na kay stressful sa imong utok mo kakatawa na gyud ka. I get it. Pero it doesn't mean na rude. It
No,
doesn't mean na you're being rude. Ingana gyud ang imo. Oh.
no, no, no,
Ingana
no,
gyud.
nothing like that.
Gani,
Nothing
gani.
like that at
Gani.
all.
Gani. Mo na gid na imong reaction ka anytime na murag na kuan ka makakatawa gid ka. Oh, basta anything nga murag sa man.
Wala.
Gani.
Grabe siya gana, dili unta na ang kuan ba kuan ba religion ba dili dili gid dapat na iana nga
Ayun na
ma-influence
kay mo
ba
lalom
sa
na pud ni kung imo siyang sumpayan. Basta na ingana nga topic. Dili man ko maka-feel og kuan sa imuha nga anak ko. Kanang lahi kanang
Lahi.
komportable.
Kapu ay no, dili.
Di gyud.
No,
Oy, di
that's
na
your
nimo
fault.
makaya. Ha?
That's your fault because they should know. Like I'm not gonna be
Di man
faking
naingol
and pretending
ang imong
around. Yeah.
imbitason og
Yeah,
sila.
people that I know.
Okay
Bro,
ra, manghihana
we
ka, okay ra.
we can't
Okay ra sa
have
imo.
yeah, we cannot have somebody as a guest who's like a prude, man. Like we can't have that. Now they should know that I'm not gonna change up on anybody, dude. Like I'm me.
Kayo ayaw wala kay gani.
Ganahan gyud mo gina siyang kuan. Bang kasi mo kuan confident gid ka nga kanang imong kuan, imong
Nagi
presence
unique.
is naa gid siya solusyon, may solusyon.
Ani. Oo, kay kuan man ko mangita gyud ko pagi.
Secure
Oh,
kay ko
mangita.
ba? Secure kay ko ba?
Mangita ko pagi nga ta. Mangita ko pagi. Ay buang. Di ko ka problema loy. Ako po di ko ka problema man.
Dili about sa guests, dili ko magkuan ay magkatawa gid ko kung katawanan ang dili. Yung mga amigo nga mga you're talking about your affluent friends in Bukidnon. If they don't get the joke or like they don't get the gist of it, like I'm not gonna change up on anybody. I'm going to be like me as me, you know? I don't have time for that shit, bro. I'm fucking too old. I'm too old to be just faking, man.
Bobby ma'am, Bobby ma'am,
Oh, yeah,
Bobby
ma'am.
ma'am. Ikaw na gyud si Andres Santino diha.
So, gawno na ko to si Ucheng. Like, Cheng mo have mga unsa nga kuan
Can you call her
topic,
now?
mag-ingon ta sa topic. Topic una,
Can you call her now? Di
ayaw na kay taas na kayo, ugma na. Ugma na. Ugma na. Kapuyan. Dili man gud kay gusto na ko ang lugar ang first guest lugar nato for like in the history is my brother. Unsa? Wala man.
Sige, ikaw ra diha.
Sumo na to kanang
Nakatawa na daw ko.
excuse.
Nakatawa na daw ko sa iyo. Mag-istorya na siya, mag-explain man siya. Ang kaniya tong kuan. Ikaw nagtiyaguay na. Nagtiyaguay. Gob, pasensya na ka na ako amigo Gob kay kuan na siya. Kanang legal man gud dito sa ila Gob.
Naka ro man gud. So si Kerboy na lang no.
Ingana ba oh?
Wala man online kuan. Wala dili siya online. Kay ba higuan na bagyo-bagyo man gud.
Gani.
So sa ilang cellphone
Pwede,
inda lang
pwede.
bisag
Nakatisting ko sa
tawanan,
akong
sa ilang cellphone mong
Nakatisting ko
i-send
sa
ang link. Na imong i-send ang link, diretso din sila maka-enter dani.
Mag-download sila og kuan. Mag-download sila loy og kani Riverside. Then pagdawag nato muna din to. Wala. Man sa kay kuan man laptop man pero pag cellphone murag kailangan pa siya moadto sa app. App or every month
$30
siya
per month.
29.
Mao ba? Pila man ang kuan yearly ato. Dili dia wala problema man. Wala may problema. Wait, natay account sa Spotify?
Kato, muna to. Kato akong gisin sa imong mga
Dili,
link. Tanaw
dili
gyud
ko
to.
say pangalan. Dili.
Kato
Gusto
gani.
na ko i-search. Dili, I'm gonna go to my app. I'm gonna type in.
Dili, katong link imo tong siya mudagan din to diha sa app. Sige, para ma-like nimo, ma-follow nimo siya. The link I sent you sa Messenger. Ako kuan na. Highlight.
Wala man.
Na,
Kapani,
kaniyo
Spotify.
niingon ra. Kaniyo?
Ano? Hold on.
Kani, this
Ano,
one.
boy?
Kana, this one.
Lah.
Na kay
Follow.
madunggan na nimo imong sarili sa Spotify.
Nakalagay tayo kuhan boys podcast sa Spotify. Fuck yeah, be.
Sana ba? Nana ka Spotify. Nana ka sa Spotify lagi.
Mawa na pa yung video ba?
Buang. Ako kay isang gikuan. Gabi akong tikaw-tikaw.
Kanina ba kay na Spotify? Yo, fuck.
Nalipay
This is
sa bay.
crazy, bro.
The best, no?
Bro,
You don't
this
know
is
anyone
awesome,
na
dude.
ingani nga naama mo sa Spotify.
Yo,
No? Kalibil na tanila.
yo.
Chuy kay lagi. Nasa Spotify.
Okay,
din.
boy.
Okay kayo. Chuy kayo. Chuy kayo. Kanang mga basher na to, kamo, naamo. Naamo yung Spotify. Wala eh. Pagkara mo.
Fuck
Basher
yeah,
lang.
man.
Gani.
Okay na ni.
Okay kayo eh.
Dayon magkuanta like off man ko ugma. So mag-start
Busy
ta
gid
like
kaganiha ba? Busy gid kaganiha.
nga naman. Wala ko kuan busy kay naka-break na then 30 minutes na kong break kay wala man ko nagkuan.
Gani
So
niya, di
ugma
nakagasmoke
magkuanta
ba?
like
Mo gyapon to.
unsa man na ugma? Mura magyapon di ba?
Mura-
Mura gyapon.
Ay di na kita mag-effort play mong gawas nang mga kwadkuan. Di na kita mag-effort.
Kuan ba kanang naatay murag world news or say mga like just one headlines.
Kuan, what is social media doing to us? Sige, ikaw invite dito kang kuan, kang Ruth, si PB.
Dili man kay nami sa sulod sa kwarto. Then ikuan nato ang topic kay kanang ang topic kay annoying things. Akong
Yes.
i-explain sa iya ha.
Ah,
Ha?
sige, sige,
Akong
sige.
i-explain sa iya ha.
Ah,
Bro, it's going to be fucking crazy. With her.
ako ang mag-referee, uma. Ako yung mag-referee.
So,
Yeah.
guys, watch for it tomorrow. You
No?
better tune in because it's going to it could go either way, you know? It could go up, it could go down. It's going to be wild. So ako siyang ignon niya magkuan.
Na?
It's going to be a fun day tomorrow with our first guest ever in the history of this pod. So tomorrow will be so electric. Ingnan na ako sa kanya. Oo, bro, they're down. That's one of my boys. Kana sila mga kuan, mga ingana. Gusto na ko ingana nga mga utok nga mga kuan. And if you have friends who, wanna chime in, but also, they'll be down. Yeah, they'll be
Si
down
Henry
for
ba?
some
Mark Henry,
chirp
pwede to?
back and forth. Oh, wala
Ana,
problema.
ana.
Kuan man to.
Sige. Pero dapat dunganon
So,
niya sa
di
imong
mga
oras
bisag
kay ikaw
kon
man ang
random
imo
lang guest pwede man di ang cellphone, di ba? Di ba?
gani, gani.
For all of you out there, friends of mine, friends of Bimbals, common friends of us, if you wanna just just for pastime, just to listen to. It could be like your background, you know,
Chitty chat.
music, in your car. Like, it's fun just to have somebody, if you don't like it, you can just don't listen to it. Anyway, you can just have the, just one click in your phone. So, but we're just saying that you can subscribe to our
Spotify.
Spotify. That would be awesome for us, we would really appreciate it. So subscribe to Spotify
I put the link
podcast. The
on the
I
comments.
think you can just type in
Ah.
the name of
Yeah,
our
I'll just put the link on the comment.
hold on. So I typed in Dao
Dabiloy.
Biloy. Dao Biloy question
And you
mark
search
and
it?
filtered.
Imo nang na-search diretso?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it pops up. You just
Na.
type Dao
Uy,
Loy and
unfiltered.
question
No, no,
mark.
no.
It will just pop up in your search engine.
Come in ang kategorya ni comedy.
Yeah, so we would really appreciate it if you just like support and you can just click follow. I think it's follow button and probably rate rates the stars and yeah, I would really appreciate it. Like if you don't want to like you don't if you don't like it, if you don't want to listen to it, that's okay. It wouldn't be a problem, it's fine. But, if you can just give it a go, just give it a shot, man. Like, take a swing. We'd really
Oh,
appreciate it,
atong
for the
sugdanan nila nga mga
boys.
guest no atong mga schoolmates. Atong nana sa gawas, silang Arnulfo,
Oh,
kato kato
walay
ana oh.
problema. Walang
Gani, gani.
it could
Ha?
go on and on
Gani.
as long
Di
as,
diha lang sa ta mag-start
as
no.
long as we
Just like
real.
the Facebook nag-start lang sa sila sa
We
dito
can just
sila lang.
yeah, we can just keep doing this, it wouldn't
Gani.
be a problem if you just had so many time, like plenty of time in our hands, like, so bisag
Kada.
kinsa bay magkuan ng buhaton lang for fun. I think pretty
Fun gyud.
I would
Ka
think
ako
that
gini nga
all of
buhaton kay
them would
kalingaw
would be
ko.
down. Yeah, malingaw mo gud na siya.
Oh,
I don't think of anybody that I know or you know that would turn us down, right? That would be like, what? Oh, I mean, we're not gonna invite somebody that we know that
nga dili siya.
also is
Oo.
like a bit of a prude or have that
Unya is
um
chat si Randy lang
the vibe
lang
is
kay
not
Joker
the vibe
Randy.
is that low. So yeah. So nothing against them anyway. No, I'm not saying that. Nothing against them, but it's just like it's going to be awkward. Like, what are we going to talk about? Like, we're cool, but pretty much anybody I know or our common friends are like pretty much cool, right? They're cool. Like we have
Gani.
so many fun stories, I guess. Like, just so much hanging out with each other. Puwede, bisag kinsa, bisag kinsa kay kuwan maguna kuwan lang gud, we're just gonna bring them in like for just few minutes. I'm not talking about they're just like pretty much dropping by, so we're just like, saying what's up, but
Gani.
we're also doing the, at least unsa networking, I guess, whatever, right? It's like is that the right term? Is that the right term? Like, I was like, what do you call that? Like PR or like, yeah, PR moves. That's what we're doing. Like the inviting people that we know. It's like a
Oo,
PR
wala lang
thing.
reconnecting
Yeah.
to friends, no?
It's like, yeah, it's just
Yeah.
like, yeah, just connecting the dots,
To old
whatever.
friends, no? Just like what we're doing, no? Kuwan pa.
Para po
So,
everybody
daghan
can
mo pud tag memories nga naa sa ilaha.
recognize,
Mm,
everybody can because I don't think a lot of people get the wind of this. So para makuan pud ba, what do you call that? Spread the news,
gani.
that we're here, we're coming, we're coming for you. We're coming for the throne. I'm the king, LeBron James. That's what's up.
Gani.
Gani. What's up on drinks?
Sige, kuha to. Sige, mo kuan naman ni siya.
Saan ka natulog? Yawa kang intro. Yeah.
Sa hip-hop manggod to niya na kuan. Sa hip-hop manggod ni siya sa high.
No, sa una ba makadumdum gid ko. Bas kita pareho kita sa utok sa una kay mga tsawiro kita sa mga ingana no. Kanang nay mo chuy lugar. Maana gid ang ka ses. Dumdum ina basta mag-ubang gali. Mura bitaw masinahon gyud wa.
Gani, gani. Yun lang,
Kuan
sus
chuy lugar mayanan hip hop
lamlam
lugar.
lang.
Himantayon kay ba. Anyway. So unsa pa man ang kuan? Ako lang kung ingnon kay kuan siyang guest tomorrow.
Si Makoy.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tawagin na mong brother Makoy be. Tawagin daw.
Pwede ka ba na? Oy, oh yeah, that would be insane. That would be insane, bro. That would be insane. McCoy would be special
Gani.
if he would be our guest. Definitely.
Pwede may maseryos
It
ni
will
Makoy basin
happen. Just a
magkatawa ka.
question of when. Huh?
Pwede may
Walang
maseryos.
problema man.
Kay
Ah, bala.
mangutana ko saya about sa iyang profession na chuy kay mahadlok man day magstorya ka nga natag ako man ay
Ha?
pangkat nagstorya ka ganiya tawa na ka tsada na to pag ako na pang mention to nga mga tao makuha na ka madlok na ka
Dili man mga kuan ra maguna sa una ra man gud.
gani
Kanang
tsada
kuan lang ba
makatawa man
kanang
gyapon ko og madumduman nimo
ignorante lang
kinsa
gyud
to sila
gyapon ba. Hater, we're at some point in our lives are just haters. Like just for no reason, we just like hate a fucking person. Like we just hate his gut. We just
gani
like just don't like him for no, just no rhyme or reason. We just hate that person. We
the
have
vibes
that
lang
thing, we
mga
have
vibes ba
that phase in our life. We just don't understand what we just hate that person. I'm not naming names, but
gani
just like anybody, like everybody have that. You just like They just don't wanna say it. Ano naman na siya. Oh, yeah, yeah, definitely. Oh, let's come up with names. Yeah. So while we're at it, yeah,
Cons,
you're just gonna name names.
Cons
Roger,
Roger.
definitely. That's
Mm,
mine. That's my boy.
si Cons.
That's my
Si
homeboy.
Charleston.
Si Omeng,
Si Uming,
100%.
Uming, Uming. Ana,
Boy,
ana,
100%.
ana.
You know, my cousin. A lot of my cousins who you haven't communicated with. You know,
Excommunicado.
definitely down the line. You know, yeah, we gotta have to patch it up.
Oh, wala mga problema. Oo, mga garot
Yeah.
na to.
No, I'm just
Gani.
saying, like, so that we're gonna talk about that. Like, we're gonna settle that. Um, kinsa pa man, definitely Uching, um, Eunice, you know,
Are
Neil
you
Neil,
done?
of
Si Kwan,
course,
Papay, Bidi
Christine.
Papay.
Yeah, what about Christy? Christy Kilby, yeah, of course. Persha, of course.
Gi, pre.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Okay kayo. Kumpare na ko to.
Mm, mm.
Pare na ko to confused.
Yeah, man, it's going to be like, nah, I just wanna. It's just so corny, like
Itong
to
mga
think
manghod sa
that
tuwa, daghan naman kayo, nga mga tsuy na kayo. Nga mga manghod sa tuwa.
Yeah, of
Ah,
course, this is so much. This is just a lot, like a never ending list of people, but it's just a matter of their availability, I guess. We're
Di
just
kailangan
doing
sila
this
mo
like willy
timpla sa
nilly.
imuha, sa imong
Just
day off.
well, no, I'm not. No, I'm good. Like I'm fine, man. Like we're just like chilling. We're just chilling, man. If they get the vibes, if they feel the vibes, it would just like the rest will just come through. Like we just like as I say, going with the flow, just we're just lounging, like just talking, if that's interesting that interests you, then why not? We can just and even you can just shoot us a text, shoot us a message
Gani,
yung bimbas.
gani.
Kuha kung sa man gusto mo magkuhan, if
Ay mo pag-message siya,
you
di na mag-reply.
wanna say something, you wanna hey, no, because the thing is, here's the thing, Bals, basig wala ta nakuan ang uban nga wala nato na-mention ba.
O basi man
It's
siya,
not
wala may
it's just
giminsan
like
o sa
I keep
nalimtan namo nga mga friends namo nga mga tsuy, mga
going on and on
oh,
and on, murag kuan.
gani.
Daghan kayo mga friends ni Kets kung kuan, if they're down, if they're chill with it, then kuan, it's just something that we're just mura ratag nagkuan.
Mura ra ta
Unsa
nagkita
na
sa
keeping
dalan.
up.
Di pod,
No,
oh, ang
no, we
conversation,
just keep
mura ta nagkita sa dalan.
I'm so I don't know how to say it. I'm so dumb. Mura siya, we're just keeping up with the times, right? Sa murag ingani naman ang panahon karon, like
Gani.
some people like my with kanang mga angkol na nato, mga kuan, wala man na sila inistoryahan sila
Wala
mga
sila
tito
mga ngani
pre.
sa una nga, may gani naanat.
Wala.
Oh,
Like
so
I mean
malimtan
sa
na to
ilang
nila ilang
edad when they are our
grab the
age,
opportunity
I
ta
don't think they have
sa
this.
technology.
Yeah, I don't think we have all these resources to get in touch with their homies, their families, their friends. Like pretty much a lot of people they know already passed and they didn't even
Gani.
like see them again after graduating high school, right? So it's like sort of like happening to us right now. And we just again, does that make any sense? Like we're just keeping up with the
Gani.
times. Like
Gani.
this is the new age. Like this is pretty much how we communicate pretty much most of the time. 'Di ba? Ingani, it's always involves internet. It involves the World
Technology.
Wide Web. So
Technology. No.
technology. So this is what's going on right now. So why not just take advantage of the chance while it's not even we didn't even like spend a penny for this one. Well, in a week, apparently, homeboy just told me we need to pay. So for the subscription, because this is just only for a trial, and it's almost due. It will be due next week, so we're gonna be start paying for this subscription monthly. So if anybody who wants to help us out financially, we would really appreciate it. At the same time, while you also subscribe and hit that follow button on Spotify. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good. Then my homeboy right here is going to work harder to pay that subscription. But it's all good, man. Again, we're doing this for eventually we're gonna be start paying for it. And it's no problem, man. We're just fucking doing this because we're having fun. I don't give a fuck about $1,000. Fucking $1,000. You know what I'm saying?
Kakaubog naman atong kaistorya, guys.
No, again, we're doing this for free for your entertainment or whatever. If you don't like us, just watch. You can even just watch us while you're hating on us. Yeah, that's
So
fine.
kagsawi mi,
Just
ibas
fucking
mi. Ibas
keep
mi.
that hate, man. Keep that hate burning. Keep the same energy, bro. But just follow. Just just punch the follow button, man. That's all I need, man. I can take all the criticism I can take. You can fucking chirp at me. You can, fucking call me names and, like, fuck that, man. As long as you're watching, just watching and keep the same energy, like, just keep hating. Eventually, you're gonna like us, Next thing you know, you're
No, they're not
sucking
bad.
our dick.
No, man. Di mo nini sila makadaot,
Na, na,
bay.
na siya.
Di mo nini sila gabi kadaot. Ba? Okay man nini sila, oh.
So, yeah, we're real dudes. Mag-support na kay Pinoy. I'm not even saying like ang Mindanao. Lukan, Binisaya, sa mga Bisaya lang. Hey, or you support the other people that you don't even know because you fucking suck. You suck donkey balls.
You suck.
That's who you
Sinunod.
are. If you don't like us, that's who you are. I'm so hungry, man. So hungry. Should I get Uber?
Who the fuck is it?
Ecstasy ba yun? Loy, ecstasy.
USB camera. Okay. I'll be in a while.
Oh, Loy,
Ain't going nowhere.
Loy.
Oh,
Rest in peace, Kang Kwan Bay.
Arnold.
Yeah, 3 doors down.
Oh.
That's
Brad.
our era, bro.
Brad Arnold. Brad natin siya Brad ba? Pero mo ba na yung pangalan? Brad Arnold. Ba? Unsa na itong prat? Ay, Brad Arnold na mo na. Buang mo. Gani. Brad Arnold na mo na, bray. Ah, naa sila
No,
Brad na
I'm
namatay.
talking about this guy.
Why is my camera? Cam. Okay. Select it. Get help. Okay. Come together. Oh, Australia ba? Tawa na siya, Gerd. Nagkatawa na siya, Gerd. Tawa na siya, Gerd.
Sige.